Sige, Tagalog na lang. Si Marcos, ang asawa niya naglabas ng documental o record to whatever is something wrong, something right. So, yun yung point na because Duterte before the president, as a work of president, how many years or session about Malacanang or whatever session before retired as new president at election went. Doon lumalabas yung mga sitwasyon ng mga secret na yan na lumalabas yan kasi si Marcos 2020 election Philippines president papalapit na rin na wala pa siya nagagawang mabuti and yung problem to our people lalo na sa akin dahil andito ako sa Pilipinas at talagang magdidigmaan tayo everyday Mr. President.